going on, guys? Today we're going to talk about credit acceptance. You know, the only lender that approves everybody. I mean credit. Any and everybody. I'm going to talk about the pros and cons of credit. One of the pros being, by them approving any credit, you can really get that car, have a new job, just pick, career, or you just need, you were in an emergency, an accident, and you need a car like tomorrow, and get approved with credit acceptance. Con of this is that they're a subprime lender, being that you're going to pay insane on the cars that you do get, and you're going to pay, pay an insane amount of interest. It's insane. Like, when I had credit acceptance, when I was with them a few years ago, 9 Chevy Impala. That Chevy Impala, the Kelly Blue Book was, I think, anywhere between $2,000 to $9,000, 2014, where they wanted me to pay $17,000 for a 2009. That's like the price of like a new Kia. It's ridiculous, and I was paying $373 a month. And that was ridiculous. FYI, I ended up getting repoed. I had to do a voluntary repo, and that was $373. That's ridiculous, especially for a 2000 used car. I needed it, and I was able to start a new job, but it did longer than the time that I needed it for. Issue was with me, and why I wouldn't go with them ever again. Well, I would never let my credit get to the point where I have to go lender. Because the interest rates, you get a brand new Kia with good credit for 17, get way more use out of it. You do. That's why people, preach. That's why I don't apply for nothing until you got good credit to 7s. You get an actual car that that's reliable, as opposed to a 2 Chevy Impala that you need to have flat tires. Is ridiculous. A quick rundown on credit acceptance and the curse of a subprime lender. You want to contact me, hit me up in the description. You want me as well. Go ahead, like, subscribe, share.